The next thing I want to talk about is probably one that we've spent the most time and effort on, and that's improving our barcoding system. Previously, although we had barcoding, it wasn't exactly up with the times. Basically, it was collecting data from the floor, and then later on you plug the reader in and you download the information. It could certainly do the job, and it was a great improvement for a lot of people. But it doesn't give people that live, instant update, live connection that that a lot of people expect when they talk about barcoding. So with our new barcoding system, what we're basically doing is giving users who have barcoding the ability to access MISys live straight from the barcode reader. And the way we've done that is, first of all, by changing the equipment that we use. The equipment that we're using is done by Worth Data, longtime partners of ours, and we're now using these terrific RF devices. They've got a huge range, 3.3 miles outside, and basically enough range to cover anybody's warehouse that we're going to be selling to. And all of these scanners, instead of collecting data remotely and then loading the data into MISys later on, they are logged in. You're literally going to be entering your username and password onto these barcode readers. And now you're going to be able to process things in MISys almost as if you were logged into the system itself out on the floor. It means you have instant access to MISys purchase orders, to MISys production orders, to serial and lot numbers even. So instead of relying on paper-based solutions, if you go to print, say, a production order, or if you go to pick a production order, I should say, it means you can go down the list of items that you need right from within the barcode reader and scan them into production. So with that live access to the database, it means there's no delay in any of the updates that you're doing, any of the transactions that you're doing. And it also means that MISys can keep a careful eye on everything that the barcode system users are doing. If you're using, say, serial and lot tracking, and you're responsible for maintaining careful traceability of all the items that you're using, by having the barcode reader connected to the MISys database, if you scan a lot number or a serial number that the system didn't know about, it can stop you right there and have you fix the issue. So that is a major, major overhaul of barcoding. Our online help has some great information on barcoding. We now support two different ways: the old way, using the Worth Data tricoder for remote data collection, and now what's called the Worth Terminal Manager for live, logged-in data collection from barcode readers. And if we look at the operator's guide, such as the operator's guide for processing manufacturing orders, you can see some screenshots in here. The screen readout itself is all showing data straight from the MISys system, logging in, a menu of options, what you want to cover. And you're simply using the barcoder's keypad to select different options, and whenever it involves entering data like an item number, a serial or lot number, any of that can be scanned as well. All right. Key things to understand about the new version of barcoding is that because you're going to be live logged into MISys from the scanner, it will consume a MISys user license. So that means that anybody considering this new barcoding module will want to make sure that they purchase enough seats in MISys to accommodate both the regular users and the barcoding users.